What's going on? What's going on? What's it? Why are you cranky? So cranky again. What is it? I can't understand you. You're cranky and sleepy again because you did not take a nap, remember? It's bedtime. You understand? What is it? Hey, I'm streaming. Do you want to say hi to the chat?
No.
Oh, you want to attach your bike to the trolley? Okay. Do you want to bring them to me? You bring me the trolley, you bring me the bike, and you bring me the attached thing.
That's too much.
What do you mean it's too much? You can bring it to me one at a time. Be careful not to hit anything. Look at her. So I'm saying, slow down, slow down, slow down. Be careful. Slow down, though, customers. Slow down. Twinkling the trade.
MEGABIT 餐厅，欢迎光临MEGABIT 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 餐厅。
Good job, Belle. There's just no one, really. There's no one.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe they're at the lobby. We want to try the lobby?
Yeah.
Want to try the lobby? Okay.
And everyone will give me money.
Why is everyone giving you money?
Because I will give them this and I'm going to say one going to MEGABIT 餐厅.
Really?
Like that.
Okay. Oh, really?
One.
不要遮嘴上。不要遮嘴不上。Oh no, they couldn't hear you. I'm sorry, they couldn't hear you. There's no one here. You have to go some. Maybe you gotta go somewhere where there are customers. There's no one around here. You wanna put this on? You wanna go into the lobby? We could try the lobby. I don't know if there are people at the lobby. How about I put it in your trolley?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put everything.
Okay, I put it in there. I brought just a few though. How many are you passing out? How many do you think you can pass out? It's quite a challenge. It's quite a challenge. I think the security would ask her to get out of the mall using that bike for the trolley. Here, Mel. Mel. That would be nice.
哦，你好，哦，好棒啊！你会介绍啊？你自己有去吃吗？
有啊，我在那里。
Billy, slow down, Belle Dandy, slow down, get out of the mall. I don't think you'd ride the bike in. You could ask the security to ride, I'm not sure. 然后量体温的。好，所以不可以骑进去。Not inside, outside. This way. 骑车发。Oh, this boy here. There's a family here. Oh, 被掉地上，马上掉地上，马上。哦，谢谢哥哥。哦，谢谢。Lots of people, Belle. Lots of people. Whoa! Did you see that, Belle?哥哥害羞。
哇，好棒哦！好，谢谢。哦，好，3楼。
在那里3楼。
对，这里开的哦。对对，是哦，很棒。
谢谢。
哦，真的哦，好棒哦。
Oh, fireworks! Guys, fireworks! Belle, fireworks! 你好，我们餐厅在3楼，欢迎参考。不要车载，真的是。你 slow down。哦，遇到小朋友。Oh, look at this joyful moment. This is supposed to be a stream room. It was her birthday, and she got like boxes of toys. 你看，她的给戏已经填满，这都是她那一天的生日礼物。我跟你讲，她生日派对真的请了非常多人来，不是在开玩笑。对，所以就有的是我从家里带来的 board games. I brought some board games. Huh? What happened? Oh my gosh! What happened? Baby, can you be more gentle, please? Can you please be more gentle? Thank you.
Mommy, sleeping.
Yeah?
We can share the children sleeping.
Oh, is Mario sleeping? Okay.
Hi. Look.
Would you like to put Band-Aid for me? Her. Oh, thank you. Sweet. Where is the garbage? Where did it go? Should be one more.
Take the ribbon.
You mean the rubber band? Okay, open everything. Oh no! Should have done that. What have I broken? Did I break something? Feels like I broke something, Bill. Oh, Mario's ear! 硬生生拔掉他耳朵. I should touch these things, you know. Mommy is a true destroyer in all toys or games. Are you performing? Sorry guys, 没电了，刚刚 we're out of battery. Sorry.
Look at me.
Can you not stand on top? Someone would be very mad at you. Your daddy. It's not supposed to be like that. You're not supposed to stand on top.
It's supposed to be like this.
Oh, your apple's here. Oh, wow. 谢谢. Oh, so cute.
What is here?
难怪切了这么久，真的是切了非常的哇。
What color you want?
Green for you, right? See, Chen's a good knows your favorite color is green. A green plate and green fork. You're happy. You did not take a nap. And what time is it? Do you know what time it is? I already asked Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
Ba 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 ba.
I don't think you're taking this very seriously.
I don't think you're taking this very seriously. How about you ask a real question? What time is it? Hey Siri.
What time is
Oh,
it?
wait, one more time. Hey Siri.
What time is it?
It's 7:59 p.m.
It's 8 o'clock in 1 minute. 7:59. One more minute. It's 8 o'clock. What do we do at 8 o'clock? What do we do at 8 o'clock? What do we do at 8 o'clock p.m.? What do we do at 8 o'clock p.m.? Are you going to answer the question?
No.
Okay, you're making me mad. I'm going to leave by myself.
No.
Why are you crying?
I want
You
that.
do not break up. Okay, Daddy drive us home. You're right now. It's 8 o'clock. What do you want? Finish the apple and we go home, okay? Keep your promise. What do you want? What do you want? It's boring because it's bedtime. Lie down in bed and sleep.
No.
Yes. Oh, Belle, please don't make me mad at you every day, okay? Please. Look at me into my eyes. You had a lot of screens today. And you did not sleep early last night. You did not sleep in nap either. Look at me into my eyes. And it's 8 o'clock. What do we do at 8 o'clock? What do we do at 8 o'clock? Belle? Come on, Belle. You have to go to sleep. Do you want me to walk with you or do you want your daddy to carry you? Okay? Let's go home, okay?
Bye.
But not like that. Stop slamming the camera.
Bye. Bye. Push. And push the
Alright, see. End over here. Top right. That says end. E-N-D, end. Okay, now it's ending. If you like my stream, please
subscribe or donate.